we got John's car back in the shop.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, you want to start it up for like 5 seconds?
Nah.
Come on, do it.
Nah.
Be a puss.
First, let's talk about what happened. One, I bought real gaskets now, so that should give you a fucking hint. That's all I'm gonna say.
Damn, dude. Thing sounds sweet.
The exhaust leak is back and worse than before. So, we're gonna fix that, hopefully.
Alright, so this is why you should just go ahead and buy the right gasket and not make your own. Missing an exhaust stud, a bolt, and another bolt, and there's the gasket that we made, and it blew out. So yeah.
Maybe 12. What? Those are a pain to get off.
Yeah. Alright, so this is where we're at now. Got all this shit unbolted. Putting in a new gasket. New gasket. Alright, so here's the gaskets that we made, and here's a new OEM gasket. Wait, hold on, show them side by side. Yeah, got it. Alright, so we're gonna be using red thread locker on all these bolts. Oh.
Don't spill any on the ground.
Get that bitch in now. Alright, so since we lost an exhaust stud, I'm going to be using a spare exhaust stud that's off my 240.
I think, do I have this backwards?
Yes, you do. You look like a zombie from Black Ops. You get it?
One side.
You only got, wait, you tightened one side down all the way?
Yep.
You should be doing like...
Nope.
Alright, so we just got all the gaskets in. John's gonna start her up.
Alright, brakes and no leaks. Lower engine tune.
Alright, so John's car is ready for launch. Nice.
Peace.